Hello, today we'll be comparing OXO Brew 9 cup stainless steel coffee maker versus Cuisinart DGB-700BC green and Brew 12 cup automatic coffee maker. Be sure to watch to the end and I will tell you which is better. Links to all the products are in the description. Brewing capacity Cuisinart's better, built-in grinder Cuisinart's better, SCA certification OXO is better, brew types Cuisinart's better, brew range control Cuisinart's better, single serve function is tie, water reservoir OXO Brew is better, programmable features they tie, touch screen controls they tie, temperature control OXO Brew is better, ease of cleaning OXO Brew is better, brew speed OXO Brew is better, after shut off is tie, noise level OXO Brew is better, price Cuisinart is better, special features Cuisinart is better, dimensions OXO Brew is better. If you want to get the most powerful durable device that will really taste good making coffee, then the best choice will be the OXO Brew 9 cup stainless steel coffee maker. The link to buy this in the video description.